Hey everyone, in this video, how to grow a small account into a large account. While trading, the number one thing to remember is not to incur any large losses. Large losses is the number one reason that trading systems become unprofitable, and it's what's going to kill your account, whether you have a small account or a large account. So we're going to walk through some examples here. The first thing you want to do is zoom out so you're not frantically taking trades all the time. That'll help keep your emotions in check. We're here on the SPX 4 hour. And what you're going to notice is we just have normal AI signals loaded up. This is just the default setting at 2.5, and we're going to go through these trades here so we can give you an example of risk management. That way you're growing your account and not blowing your account. We'll start with this trade here at the bottom. You're just going to want to go in and you're going to get in on this entry here after the buy signal has formed. You move your take profit all the way up there. You're going to move your stop loss below the candle in which the signal formed. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take half your position off as soon as you get green up into this area, and then you're going to let the rest of it run, and you're going to move your stop loss to break even. So as you can see, we didn't take a large loss on that trade. We were green. Perfect. So we're not going to blow our account. We're going to be growing our account. Next trade, you can see we have a sell here, so we're going to do a short position. Here's the candle. You get in here, you're going to move your stop loss right above the candle you got in, like this. Okay, great. You took half your position off, you move your stop loss to break even, it came up, and it got back to your entry. Great. Another green trade. Again, we haven't taken a large loss. Perfect. Next trade is a buy long position. You'll get in here above the EMA cloud, which was a nice trade, and we'll move this up here underneath the candle you got in. You got green, you moved your stop loss to break even. Perfect. So you can see again, we haven't taken a large loss. It's not really a need to draw this one out. You got in, it came down. If you trimmed a little bit, that's great. If you didn't, that's fine. It just came up and touched your first small loss in this area. So this is the first loss we've taken, and you can see it's very small. It's not a large loss that ran against us all the way up here. We got out right above the candle in which we entered. So short position. There. Perfect. So you could have been green if you took some profit off here and move your stop to break even. But anyway, the point is you haven't taken a large loss. We'll go on to the next trade, which is a buy, long position here. This one's obviously a rocket. These are the kind of trades where you can make a lot of money. You'll move this under here, and you can see that you would have taken half your profit and then let the other half ride, and that one would have worked out really well. Go to the next trade, which is a sell. Short position in here. Okay. So you can see on this one, you would be green, you'd take half your position off, let the other half ride, it would come out eventually and stop you out, or you could take the buy signal if you wanted once you got the next one. So you just repeat this process over and over again, and it keeps you disciplined so that you're not letting your losses run against you. Large losses is the things that's going to destroy your account when you're trading, so you don't want to incur that at any cost. That is the number one thing. Before making money, it's keeping the money you have and preserving your capital. Losing trades are going to happen, but if you let them run against you and they become large losses, that's what's going to destroy your account, your confidence, and your trading. So use a hard stop loss like the way I just showed you, and then adjust your position, move your stop loss to break even, let some of your position ride in case it ends up being a monster like this trade was. On this one, you're going to want to make sure that you have some of your position still on so that you can capture this huge move. Not every trade is going to be a whale like this, but again, the only thing you have to really think about is making sure you don't take a large loss and blow your account. Hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, please shoot us an email. Thanks.